Hi, my name is Sushruth and I work on Bito. In this guide, you will learn how to set up the AI code review agent in GitLab. Let's get started. Log into Bito and select a workspace. Click repositories under the code reviews section and select your Git provider. Since we are setting up the agent for GitLab, let's select GitLab to proceed. Here you have two options, connect with OAuth or you can use personal or group access token. I'll connect with OAuth. It is now redirecting us and connecting to our GitLab account. Once done, you have to select the GitLab group. Here I'll use my personal one and connect using OAuth. That's it. Within just 2 to 3 clicks, your GitLab account is connected to Bito. You can now see my repositories here. Here we have toggles to enable or disable the AI code review agent. Cool, right? You also have settings option where you can configure the AI code review agent based on different setting options spanning across 5 different panels. The most important ones are feedback mode, essential and comprehensive. In essential mode, only critical issues are posted, while in comprehensive mode, Bito also includes minor suggestions and potential nitpicks. Then we have request changes comments. Here Bito posts feedback as request changes review comments, and depending on your organization's Git settings, you may need to resolve all comments before you merge the PR. Now let's have a look at how Bito actually works in GitLab. This is a merge request and this is how Bito actually works in here. It creates a summary of the pull request. This pull request introduces extensive additions across multiple modules including controller, model, repository, service, etc. Then it gives you the suggestions, actionable suggestions and additional suggestions. It also gives you a change list to understand what all is done in this PR. For example, new feature added in these files. Then there are feature improvement in these files and then other mix improvements in all of these files. This is how it gives you the suggestions. For example, here we have a code. Here you can see that it says incorrect for loop syntax and missing semicolon. And then it gives us the suggestions that remove the commas, include semicolons, and then add a semicolon after the println statement. Another example, let's have a look at this. Duplicate constructor declarations. There are duplicate book constructor declarations with identical implementations. You see here? And then it gives us the code suggestion to fix it. Right? You also have this apply suggestion button which you can click and it will automatically add these suggestions in the code changes itself. Cool, right? So this is how you connect Bito to your GitLab account within 2 to 3 clicks and actually work with AI code reviews in your pull requests. Hope it helps. Bye bye.